yeah. Ay, coming in, yeah, flex.
For over 5 years now, I've been bringing you lush jungles, desolate deserts. I've been bringing you across the world to some of the hottest destinations. But all the while, I have completely neglected a hidden gem up till this point today. Today, I am going to be showing you my parents' house. Unlike Bali or Dubai, they get millions of visitors every single year. This is a destination that maybe gets 10 to 12. That's what I call flying under the radar. To those of you who say travel just isn't the same in 2020, I give a little chuckle and I say, you're doing it wrong. On an average day, I make 3 to 4 adventures from the computer to the fridge. And that, my friends, doesn't even include the bathroom. Instead of just flexing this travel lifestyle on you, I may as well show you what it's all about. So here is what travel vlogging in 2020 looks like as shot on an Osmo Action. So it's a new day, and I'm gonna start it off how I always do with the number one thing: make your loved ones breakfast.
Make a circle. Make a circle with the pan. Move the pan. Move the pan around.
Delicious fluffy pancakes in your favorite way. And with that, a latte, and of course, a freshly picked rose.
You never make me breakfast, and I don't drink coffee.
Okay, truth is, she does all the cooking. This is the pancake I made. She's like, don't do that! Use this! Don't stir that! Wait for it! Use it now! What are you doing? You're like freaking out at me.
Yeah, you drove me crazy.
She showed me how though, so now I'm one step closer to being able to make them for you. Yeah. 2 more. You might not understand it right now, but trust me, it's gonna look cool. So this is my daily excuse to get out of the house, and that is to take out my beautiful little doggy for a walk. This is Kia. You're such a good girl. One of the awesome things of being home during this time is playing something that I haven't played since I was a kid. Back in the day, I wasn't allowed to play video games unless it was the weekend, so I did a lot of board games, a lot of card games, Monopoly, Battleship, you name it. I've got a lot more free time on my hands. Things are kind of returning to how they used to be.
We've been playing Dutch Beats and Bananagram.
Banana! So, hands down, one of the most important things to do during a difficult time is to keep up with the things that you enjoy doing. For me, that's my motorbike. And that's my dad. Great, my bike's not working.
First gear, we're gonna give it.
So this is where I grew up. This is White Rock, and it's a beautiful beach area in Canada. And actually right on the other side there, other side of that water, you can actually see a tiny bit of land. You might see it a bit better over there. That is America. I'm very lucky to be in a place where the social distancing is in effect, but you still have so much room out in the suburbs that you can still get outside to get a bit of fresh air, take out the bike, and that's an eagle. 2 beautiful eagles right there. That's how close we are to freedom here in Canada. Do you know what time it is? Do you know what time it is? It's bath time. Come here, girl. She doesn't... She's scraping her talons. The only time she drops down like this is when it's time for bed or bath time.
Bath time, bath time.
So as soon as we dry the dog, and this has been the same for all of our dogs, if they come out of the bathtub and they're dry, they start running around the house. They just get the craziest zoomies and they need to sprint. So we'll see if we can keep up with her. Naturally, we're spending way too much time inside. But one of my ways to deal with the anxiety, the stress, is this, sweating it out. Whether it's a run, push-ups, it all helps me so much to stay focused and stay positive. And that's the good thing about these cameras, they're very durable. Every night at 7 p.m, that noise right there, pots and pans, people even in the suburbs are getting out on their balconies and celebrating the heroes. And my mom's one of them, actually. Sort of. She's working with sick kids, but still. For 3 weeks, I have had a hole in the back of my head because last time I gave her this.
Baby, I'm so sorry. For real. I'm so sorry. I swear it was 8:30. Why did... I'm so sorry. I'm not joking. I'm so sorry. Wait, I'm so sorry.
Let me see.
No, you're gonna be... It's not a joke.
Well, I want to see. Are you kidding me? She pushed it on so hard, the blade was all the way at the tip, and then she went... Can you still see it?
Yeah, literally.
Alright, that should be the right length. A little bit shorter at the bottom, a little bit longer
You're
at the top.
asking way too much. Remember, I left you a hole.
Okay,
You
just
cannot
make it
ask me more.
make it even at the back. I don't want a hole.
Do not ruin my hair.
I've been wearing a hat for 3 weeks. Now I have a crooked cut and a giant hole in the back of my head.
But I will fix this. Don't worry. You're in good hands. Baby, I'm so sorry.
Tonight's sunset is stunning. Being stuck inside makes you appreciate the little things. Sunsets, time with family. One of the top things to do during this time is to just crush through an ungodly amount of television. Movies, TV shows, and right now, watching the Lost LeBlanc channel. Reliving moments. It's only a matter of time till we can get back out there.
But for now, it's just really nice to watch our old travels.
I actually want to get serious about this for a second because this is a challenging time. Let's not try to sugarcoat it. From business, social life, and even mental health, every single one of us are struggling with our own battles right now. And if you are one of those people that's just struggling to get through this right now, I really hope the best for you because this is not an easy time. It is a challenging time, but it's also an opportunity that we may only get once in our life to be in one place, to be home, and without a ton of distractions. If you're one of those people who have their health, who have a ton of free time, and you're currently at home, find that thing that you can invest your energy into. For me, it's been working on different skills that I've pushed aside for a long time. It's catching up on a lot of the administrative stuff that I probably wouldn't have touched till 2022 if I had been back to traveling as normal. And most of all, it's allowed me to build out my Lost Creator Academy. So these are the things that are consuming a lot of my time and energy and allowing the day-to-day to not seem so bad actually. My time in quarantine has been productive, it's been challenging, but I know when it's time to emerge from the house, when it's time to leave mom and dad's place, I will be ever better equipped for what is coming in the future because of the time I invested right now. Whatever your thing is, learning a guitar, learning a new language, becoming a photographer or videographer, now is the time to sink your teeth into that passion project and make this time count. And there she is, my beautiful little cleaned off cotton swab. I hope you enjoyed a bit of a unique perspective. And the awesome thing is I was able to film all of my shots today using a single camera, an Osmo Action, and actually a couple shots were shot with my drone, but it's such a powerful camera. You've got slow motion, 4K 60, you've got the ability to get those creative shots like mounting it to the back of your dog or putting it in the shower because it's waterproof. And what I love most is that stabilization feature that basically gives me gimbal-like footage without a gimbal. I'm gonna end my video here. I'm gonna get back to hanging out with my dog, playing board games, and a lot of work. And guys, as always, let's get lost again in the next one.